it's a sheet pan meal today made with chicken, asparagus, and potatoes. Hey, it's Linda with What's Linda Cooking. Just marinated some chicken in some avocado dressing and then put it on top of some seasoned sliced potatoes. While that was roasting at 400 degrees, chopped up a little bit of asparagus, seasoned that up, and threw that on at the 30-minute mark. Cooked it another 10 minutes, and there it is. This is such a great weeknight meal. Quick, easy, and delicious. What are you cooking up? I'd love to hear.